Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1973 AMC AMX, or a Javelin. It's a real deal AMX. We also have this beautiful Volkswagen Westfalia 83. I just took a trip to North Carolina to the Pisgah Mountains. We documented that, so we're going to post that up in the coming weeks. And we've got a host of Grand Nationals getting serviced in our service department, so those will be on the site soon. Let's get back to this beautiful 73 Javelin. Let's start off with the paint quality. I would rate it a 6.5 to 7 out of 10. Very, very nice metallic garnet with a gold design up front, and this is all paint, that's not vinyl. You've got your Javelin emblem right here, and then your AMX emblem with the correct grille shroud. I'm gonna go and open up the hood. 360 power plant, brand new Holley 600 carburetor on there. It does have a factory air compressor running to vintage air controls behind the dash. It does blow cold. Engine bay is super detailed, runs very well. Heater core was bypassed, so the heater core was leaking. Just something to think about. You do have power steering and power brakes. And then when you look inside of the front area right here, you're gonna see that it does have the correct boxes in place. It also has a grabber hood. I don't know if I'm using the right terminology there, but if you hook up a vacuum line, this will actually operate when you give it full throttle. Let's go down the driver's side. Super clean design. Body is very straight, has American Racing wheels on it with knockoff caps, which I really like. BF Goodrich tires with 95% tread. The body design of this car is unreal. It's a very unique piece, and it's actually pretty hard to find parts. We had another one we sold to a gentleman named Kevin. We had to source seat belts, and it's not easy to find. So this one has all the seat belts in place. The interior is very nice. Let me open up the door for you. All the glass goes up and down with ease. You do have your American Motors placard right here. That's pretty neat. Door cards are correct. So when you look at the door cards, you do have the correct AMX pieces there with the swiveled design. All right, let's look at the placard for the door. So this is American Motors Corporation. You've got all this information right here for the body tag, essentially. That's the correct sticker. I'm gonna put the window up really easy. They are tinted. I do see a little bit of wear on the rubber here for the seal. Windows go up and down with ease. Chrome has a little bit of pitting on the mirror. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. Let me lower this more. Interior is like a camel color. Steering wheel is upgraded and it looks really, really good in there. You got your center shift and your vintage air controls in the center. Dash is actually very nice, no cracks. Headliner looks good. Your lights illuminating up there as well. We'll keep talking about the interior when we go for a ride. Roof line's really nice. Paint shows even throughout the whole entire vehicle. You do have that swoop, that signature swoop. Correct wing in the back. Glass is nice. All your bright work is nice. Quarter looks really good. Tires, as I said, have 95% tread. Let me get the key and I'll open the trunk. There's a couple of additional items we're going to be given with this vehicle. Opening up the trunk. Paint shows well throughout. No rust. Underneath this car is really nice too. So if you look at our gallery, you're going to see pictures of that. So this is the front chin spoiler. And then I believe, oh, look at that. I was talking about the rubbers. Comes with them. There we go. So you get brand new rubbers. I'm gonna close the trunk now. Correct emblem. All the taillights look good. You got your dual exhaust right here. Let's go down the passenger side. Passenger side is the same as the driver's side, super clean. Door opens up easily. Quarter looks good, no rust in there. All the fender trim is nice. Door closes easily. Front fender looks great. Let me start it up right now so you can hear it. Ready? Starts up easily, sounds really, really good. Really lopey. Let's go for a ride. We're inside the Javelin. As I said, the steering wheel looks great. Horn does not operate. Lights work for sure. You've got your dome light, which does operate. Wipers operate. Sprayer doesn't work. Radio doesn't work. but the air condition does. So I just turned it on and it blows cold. Center shift is really nice. Got your glove box here. Some papers from the prior owner. Cigarette lighter. And look how clean it is in here. You don't, you know, let me open this for you. Handle has a little tear right here. Let's put it in drive and go for a ride. So there's two things that are not operating on this dash. The oil pressure gauge and the tachometer. We're turning right on the Ravenswood Road right now. Just use my turn signal indicator. It's working as it should. So you see it flashing there. We'll try the other side. Same thing on this side. It actually drives really nice. I just took it around the block. Steering feels good. Go left to right. There's no pulling when you push the brakes. Brakes feel good. As I said, underside shots of this car are in our gallery. So you go to our website, click on the actual pictures, and you can scroll through everything. If you want to finance this car, we offer financing too with 3 lenders. There's a financing tab there. You can click on it and it'll give you estimated monthly payments. Also, if you want to transport this to a different state or a different country, just fill out our transport form. We'll be able to help you there. Right now we're going 40 miles an hour, no issues. Feels really good. The other carb, I'm going to give you the Motorcraft carb that came off of it, but it had a dead spot and then the accelerator pump started leaking. I figured putting a Holley on it would be the way to go, and it is. It feels a lot better, and it's not leaking fuel everywhere either. I'm going to turn right here and slow down, and we'll do an acceleration run so you can see how the 360 performs. I don't see any smoke coming from the tailpipes other than fuel. You ready? Chirped in a second. That's 60 miles an hour, really healthy. We'll do it again because that plane was coming through. You can't really hear the motor when there's an airplane flying over you. I'm gonna turn left here. As I said, the suspension feels really good. I do hear a little bit of squeaking coming from the sway bar end links, you know, where it holds onto the frame. Let's try that test run again without an airplane. We'll just be rolling. Ready? Chirped in a second. That was to 60 miles an hour, really healthy. Brakes feel really good, really easy to use. You could jump in it and drive it home. Very reliable. And the best part, that vintage air we just turned on because I'm sweating. If you have any questions about this specific car, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Thanks again, and please subscribe so we can give you more great content like this. Remember, we're gonna have that Westfalia video and a couple of Grand Nationals going up this coming week. Thanks again.